Hello, everyone. Today I will talk about the data pre-processing and modeling steps, the suitability of models, and also the insights in the real-world implications. Let's start with the data pre-processing and modeling steps. The abalone dataset is firstly loaded using the method to separate the features like sex, length, diameter, or separated from the target variable rings. Then the dataset is going to check for the missing values and identify the duplicate records and number of unique values in each feature to make sure that the whole dataset is really clean. Also, the sex variable in dataset was encoded using the label encoder to convert the sex variable into numerical values. The code also explored the dataset's target variable rings, skewness, and also the outliers. By dropping the outliers through the turkey brew and also the box plot, it then improved the future model performance. The code is also going to the data visualization. It includes many visualization, such as histograms, scatter plot, and correlation heat maps to find the relationship among all variables. It also does the data splitting at last, which is the train test splitting, and standardize the features on the same scale to ensure consistency and prepare for the model performance for data. The random forest regressor is used to analyze feature importance, and also many various regression models like linear regression were trained, utilized, and evaluate based on metrics. The reason why random forest regressor is quite suitable and selected for this whole data set is that the random forest can handle the nonlinear relationship between variables and target variable effectively. Therefore, the random forest can handle well about the interactions between the categorical and continuous features, which is mentioned in the dataset. The random forest is also quite robust to the outliers and noise, and it can deal with the huge amount of data. Lastly, the random forest shows the visualization about what features is crucial and important in the model. This can highly help to gain insights from the result. The linear model is also selected because the lasso and ridge also help in feature selections and also reduce the overfitting. Also, for KNN and SVR, they can capture the linear relationships, and I think they're quite useful for the complex patterns in the dataset. And lastly, we come to about talking the um in real world implications, insights, because the visualization shows the shell weight and also the shacket weight are the most important features to rings, indicating a strong correlation between the abalone size and also age. Therefore, in the real world, we can focus more on these two variables on the weight to get more correct predictions. Also, the scatter plot of actual data and predictions shows how model handled the outliers and also the deviations. The places with huge deviations and outliers mean that we need more data to achieve better predictions. Also, the removal of outliers enhance model accuracy, indicating the importance of preprocessing the data. Lastly, The results show the random forest performs better than many simple models because it highly captures the complex interactions and patterns between variables. So, in conclusion, by following the data preparations and also the models evaluation and model selection process, we can highly build a reliable predictive model that provide the actionable insights to our data set and also for the real world applications. And thanks for your attention for listening.